So I'm just going to show you a typical application from Cfwsilat. It's taken from the Kucing side of the martial art. It's a very aggressive jump and takedown. It's also a very famous technique in the Silat. Okay, so we're just going to salute. So I'm going to be distance. My distance is I'm slightly out, and there's a little bit of distance. Okay, so it's distance fighting, right? So I'm on the outside here. So I'm going to come in aggressively into this position here, and I'm going to come back to here, right? So I'm coming in, and I'm using the elbow against the knee, right? So from this position here, I come in very aggressive, and I take her down into this position here. Now, if you notice, I have her leg locked in this position here, so you can feel that, right? So I have a good tight grip. Now, my next position is that. So she comes forward, that's that position there. And then I'm back out, okay? So look, I'm in this position here, I come in, I drop, and I'm back out into this position here. So I'm gauging here, I'm picking up from this position, and I come in. Now I drop, this hand is in this position here. Now you see this leg here, I can kick here. I can also side kick, but the key is to have this tight grip on the leg here. You feel that? So what I'm looking for is to get a reaction, so I can use my roundhouse here. Now I can retrace my steps back here. Now I come out into this position here. So I'll show you one more time. So from this position here, I step, drop, kick, and I'm back out. It's a very aggressive takedown, okay? So I hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you soon.